What's up, members? Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Let's get into it. Let's go over the levels for Friday, January 9th. Today is Thursday. We want to break down what we are going to trade tomorrow and the levels that we are looking at. It all starts by looking at the major indexes. Look at QQQ right here, holding this $618 level today, blasting up to 621. We still have to be careful. Know that we have overhead right at this level at 625. Tomorrow, potential rejections coming in on the NASDAQ. If we can go up here and reject, pay attention to that unless we can break above that $626 level. Moving over to SPY. Breaking down the SPY. SPY is holding a very strong support level at this $688 level. If you look right here, rejected, support, support, now more support, and then right here, boom, support right here. So we're gonna see, can the SPY push higher? Can we get that $700 level on the SPY? Hopefully tomorrow we have a nice upswing higher into this resistance around $693. We will keep an eye on it. More importantly, if you're trading semiconductors, you need to be focusing on SMH, this ETF. Follow what it's doing. Right now, you have support level at this $370 level. If it pulls back to about $370, I'd be looking at the individual semiconductors that we will go over for a bounce play. Let's get right into it. AVGO finally breaking down. When you look at it on the 5-year chart, you can see that we are hitting from 137, hitting that first leg of support around $330 per share. It gets a little more evident on the 1 year. You can see the touch points happening right here. This is a stock to watch right now. Let's see what it does. Is it going to hold this level? When you zoom in on the 1 month, it has been doing nothing but consolidating after this sell-off from 423 all the way down here as low as 21%. So that is a very big gain that can be made up. There's two ways to look at this. Are we getting a double bottom here with a higher low at 320? Can we hold this level tomorrow at $332? We are going to find out. Right now, make no mistake about it, it is making lower lows. And what you need to do, if we do get a pop, I just want you to be aware that you have resistance at $339 per share. I'm going to put this in red for you. Take a look at this. If we do get a pop tomorrow, it's not that much of a percentage difference. Let's say we go from 331 up to here. It's only a 2% move up. I'd be looking for rejections on AVGO. Push up to here, consolidate to 339, 340, and then look for the move lower. Gonna have to watch SMH in the meantime on that. Looking at Microsoft stock rejection at this 489. It is pulling back to 478. Microsoft needs to hold $470 per share. Moving forward, UNH, we've been calling out this stock. We've been holding it since the low 300s. We are at a resistance at 350. If it can hold, we can make moves up to $380 per share. UNH looks very strong, bouncing off of these key levels at 340, now trying to go 10 points higher at $350 per share. I want to zoom in on FETH. You guys know I posted the video today making $550 on it. It is showing signs of support. It is trading along this channel right now. So right now, this is the channel that I am looking to trade. And when it comes to the bottom of it, I am going to be buying these dips. So as long as we do not break this trend, I am going to keep buying any dips around $30 per share for a bounce higher. If it goes lower, I cut my losses. All right. Looking here, A-Lab is another stock that I think the WHOP, everybody is interested in taking looks at this right here. If we pull back and break this $150 level, be cautious. This could really start to look ugly. So let's see if we pull back. 140 is the range I am waiting to take a position potentially in the YouTube portfolio, which is very exciting. Chevron, if you guys are in my WHOP, you know we called this out the other day. Chevron is making news, and basically we have a potential move back up to rejection point around $165 per share. I think ticker symbol CVX has a potential chance to move up here 3 to 4%. It is looking very strong. Looking at the 5-day, we are curling back up. 155 base held, blasted up to 160. If we can get above 160, I think we see 165. So definitely keep that in your eyesights. Looking at BM&R, BMNR is pulling back, but it is finding its leg right here at $31 per share. $29.50 held up, blasting up, watch rejection at $33.54. Now, with all the news going with the home ownership, I believe Home Depot could offer some potential ROI here. We have resistance here at $366. I want you to watch this level. If it can break above this $360, I think we can move to the next rejection point, which would be around $376 per share. So pay attention to Home Depot. We have a potential mover here. Another stock that I think you should be watching is OpenStock. It had a monster day today, blasted up. I believe 12%. Let's double check it. $6.40 up here, 14% up to $7.37. Open is back. It is looking very strong, and it had a nice bounce off of that $6 level. If you're going to watch overhead, you are trading in this zone right here, so we have plenty of room to grow. Definitely something I will be watching, and I also want you to pay attention to Netflix. If you look at it year to date, it has sold off $94 down to $90. If you go back just 1 month from now, it sold all the way off from $126 all the way down to $90. This is offering a potential buying opportunity. If you look at the 5 years, look where it is right now. It is trading at a major support level. If you look at the long-term trend, we bounced on $34, bounced on $58, and now we are right here huddling at $90 per share, where you do have support on that $75 level right around here. If this breaks $82, we are headed down a little lower to about $80 per share, so definitely pay attention to that. Guys, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and definitely check out the merch in the store under my YouTube channel, Trading Simplified. You can get your own embroidered sweatshirt, beanie hat, mug, stickers, whatever you want. We got it here just for you in the YouTube store. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate you supporting the channel.